Hi everyone, this is Banking Khabar Nepal. Previously, we have uploaded a video which includes the topic about the classification of loans and advances as per unified directives issued by Nepal RASTRA Bank, and many of our viewers has commented to prepare same video in English version, and here we are with the English version of loan loss provision as per the unified directives issued by Nepal RASTRA Bank. First of all, the loan loss provision. We are going to discuss about loan loss provision for performing and non-performing assets or loan. And we know that the loan are categorized into two categories. They are performing and non-performing loan. And under performing and non-performing loan, these are classified into pass, watch list, substandard, doubtful and bad. And pass loan and watch list are classified under performing asset, and substandard, doubtful and bad loan are classified under non-performing assets or loan. Now let us discuss about pass loan. What is pass loan and what are its features or what are its basis for categorization as pass loan. First of all, the pass loan is categorized into performing loan. And what is the loan loss provision for pass loan? And it is equivalent to 1% of outstanding loans and advances. Now, what is the basis for categorization of loan as pass loan? That is, if the payment is not overdue or overdue for the period up to 1 month. It means if the payment of interest or principal is not overdue or it is overdue for the period which is not more than 1 month, then the loan is classified as pass loan. Similarly, let us discuss about watch list category of loan. The watch list category, the category of this loan is also performing loan, and the loan loss provision is equivalent to 5% of outstanding loans and advances. And the basis for categorizing the loan as watch list is if the payment is overdue for the period of 1 to 3 months, or the short term or working capital not renewed but expiry date has been extended for a temporary period. That is, if the loan is the nature of short term loan or working capital loan and the loan has not been renewed but it is the date of expiry is extended for a certain period or a temporary period, then that kind of loan is also classified under watch list. Loan provided to the customer whose credit facility is categorized as non-performing asset in other bank and financial institution. It means if the customer has been availing loan from other bank or financial institution and that financial institution categorized such loan under non-performing asset that may be under substandard, doubtful or bad category, then such kind of loan is also to be categorized as watch list in the bank or financial institution, although its loan has been in good condition or if its payment is regular. Similarly, loan provided to the companies or institutions whose net worth is negative or whose are in loss for continuous 2 years. It means if the above conditions are fulfilled or if any of the conditions are fulfilled, then the loan is to be categorized under watch list. Now let us discuss about substandard loan. The category of substandard loan is also non-performing loan, and loan loss provision for substandard loan is equivalent to 25% of outstanding loans and advances. Now let us discuss about what is the basis. If the payment is overdue for the period of 3 to 6 months, it means if the principal or interest of the loan is not paid or is overdue for the period more than 3 months but not less than 6 months, then the loan is classified under substandard category. Let us discuss about doubtful loan. The doubtful loan is also categorized under non-performing asset, and the loan loss provision for doubtful loan is equivalent to 50% of outstanding loans and advances. Now, what is the basis? If the payment is overdue for the period of 6 months to 1 year, that is, if the repayment of loans, that is principal or interest, is not made for more than 6 months but less than 1 year, then it is categorized as doubtful loan. Now, bad category. The bad category, it is obviously non-performing loan, and the loan loss provision is equivalent to 100% of outstanding loans and advances. The basis is if the payment is overdue for the period of more than 1 year, that is, if the loan is the repayment of principal and interest is not made for more than 1 year, then the loan is classified under bad category, and 100% loan loss provision is to be made for this kind of loans. So hope this video was useful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.